Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad X1. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 won't turn on, you're likely facing a frustrating situation. This issue can arise due to various reasons, such as a faulty power supply, a dead battery, or internal hardware failures. If left unattended, these problems could lead to further damage, making the repair more complicated and costly. To begin with this repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery if that's the component causing the issue. First, let's open the device safely. Start by ensuring the laptop is powered off and unplugged. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover, being careful not to damage any clips. Now that we have access to the internals, let's locate the power supply and battery. The battery is usually secured with a couple of screws and may have a connector that needs to be carefully detached. Once you've identified the battery, remove the screws holding it in place, and gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. If you are replacing the battery, take the new one and connect it in the same manner. Make sure it clicks into place securely. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the battery, it's time to reassemble the device. Carefully place the back cover onto the laptop, ensuring that all clips are aligned properly. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, tightening them gently to avoid any damage to the casing. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 and press the power button. If it powers on successfully, congratulations! You've completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly check your power supply and battery health. Avoid overcharging your device and keep it updated with the latest software to enhance its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.